Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll show you how you can install the official Microsoft Office 2024 version on your Windows PC along with the product activation. As we know, with newer Microsoft release, there are certain new features and functions being introduced like new formulas or even new AI integration features. But older version doesn't support it and we simply end up compromising on that as installation and activation is a bit of a hassle. Also, for anyone who is just starting their data analytics journey, working on newer versions of Excel indeed becomes important in order to use newer formulas and functionalities to better analyze and understand their data well. Now, let's get started with the installation process. Firstly, you have to uninstall currently existing version of the Office, like I have one installed in my laptop. To do that, go to Windows and search for Control Panel. Here, select Uninstall a program and find Office in the list. Select and hit Uninstall. Now once the process completes, manually check once if there's anything left. Now we are good to go. Open the browser and search Microsoft Deployment Tool. Click on the first link, select the language and hit download. Now open your C drive and create a new folder. Rename it to Office 2024. Now go to downloads and open the file which you have just downloaded. Select the location of installation as Office 2024 folder which you have just created in C drive. Now go to the browser again and search for Office Customization tool. Click on the first link. Select your system architecture first. To know that, go to Windows and search about your PC. Open and see the system type here. Let's get back. Now scroll down and in the Office suite, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Now in the app section, toggle off apps which you don't need. Now go to the language and select English. Now scroll all the way to the end and at the right hand side click export and then here select the second option Office Open XML format and click OK. Accept the terms and click export. A file will be downloaded. Go to downloads, copy this file and paste in Office 2020 folder in C drive. Now go to Windows and search CMD. Right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Give the necessary permissions. Now in your Office 2024 folder, click on address bar and copy this path. Now before pasting it on the command prompt, type cd space and now paste and hit enter. Once we are in the folder, type this code. I'll share it in the description as well and hit enter. Now wait patiently and make sure internet is on throughout the session. Okay, so now it's installed successfully. Let's check. Okay, it's opening, but it's not activated. To do so, open Windows PowerShell. Firstly, close all the Office apps. Now open Windows PowerShell, run as administrator and type this command. I have shared in the description as well. Now when this appears, press 2 in your keyboard and then press 1. Wait for some time and it says Office activated. Let's open any app and see if it's activated or not. So it shows activated successfully. So I hope it's useful and works for all of you. Please like and share if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.